Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Your Beats Solo 4 has the latest firmware, and your Android supports USB-C audio or OTG. Plug in a USB-C cable or the official adapter. This is the fastest, most reliable path. Once done, enable Bluetooth and location on Android if you'll pair wirelessly as a fallback. Make sure power is above 20% so updates won't interrupt. This first step avoids connection errors and prepares the device for the required mode change. Now you perform the core connection steps. For wired use, connect the USB-C cable directly to the Beats Solo 4 and Android. When Android prompts, pick USB audio output. For wireless, press and hold the power/pairing button until the LED blinks, then choose Beats Solo 4 in Bluetooth settings. Once paired, media audio should route automatically. If Android shows limited audio, toggle Bluetooth off and on, or disconnect other active outputs. These steps force the correct audio profile and stabilize the link. Finish by verifying audio routing and performing a test. Play music and check Android sound output. If it's not on Solo 4, switch profiles in the Bluetooth menu. Once playback works, close apps that might grab the output and note latency for video apps. If things go wrong, restart the phone and the headphones. If persistent, reset the Beats by holding power and the mode button together until the LED flashes. That reset clears pairing problems and typically restores stable connections.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.